From Acuvue Eye Care, we're excited to unbox the brand new Acuvue Oasys Transitions. This is a contact lens that goes dark in the sunlight. We've heard about this lens for about 2 years. Finally arrived today. We're one of the first practices in Canada to get it. So there's the box. Inside we've got the trial kit. We'll put that on the counter here, and we'll pull out our first lens. So there's the box right there, Acuvue Oasys Transition, so photochromic sun-activated contact lens. We're going to take a lens out in a moment, put it beside a clear Acuvue Oasys lens, and then put it in our Transitions UV light and see what happens. I've got a regular Oasys on the left side of the case. We'll take the new Acuvue Oasys Transitions and put it on that side. So when it's not exposed to UV light, the new lens is just a touch gray. So I'm going to open up our handy dandy UV light, turn that on. So apparently these change very quickly. So we're going to pop that in, and we're going to see what happens. So yeah, within a couple seconds you can see, let me pull it out and you can get a closer shot. You can see right there how dark gray that got, probably in about 5 seconds. So we haven't put this on any patient eyes yet, but hopefully in the next day or so we'll get some real sort of hands-on experience. So we're excited to try this. Brand new product, Acuvue Eye Care, one of the first in Canada to get this exciting new technology.